Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Crypto Wars. It's me Salim and you're watching Crypto Wars. It's my mobile screen you're looking here. It's a Binance app. So I'm going to discuss the new option come and Binance, which is swap farming. Okay, we will discuss this swap farming in detail, and also one new coin which is Jasmy coin is to be listed soon, like in few hours on Binance. So this is a Binance liquid swap. So guys, I will share one of the detailed video of this, but before we going to give you the urgent news of Jasmy coin, which is very important, and you will get maximum profit from this Jasmy coin, and I will show you in detail also. This is Jasmy coin. It will be available for trading on 11/22/12 UTC. So guys, stay with us for this coin, and I will let you know from where you can get this coin and what is the maximum all-time high price of this coin. You will be surprised, guys. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and share the video. Guys, let's see here. I will show you this one Jasmy coin from where you can take. If you can take from here, it's looking very difficult. From here it's looking very difficult. Binance will list Jasmy coin, and from here user can now start depositing from here, but it's not looking that much. You can just buy BNB. You can buy BNB here, Jasmy coin, and it's Ethereum network. Okay, Ethereum network. So you just buy and send it to this address, so it will be automatically spotted in your wallet. So the other simple way from where you can buy, before this we going to show you the all-time high price of Jasmy coin, and I will show you here it's rise 56%. Once it's listed on Binance, will let you know it will again gain its high price. So I will let me show you the highest price of Jasmy coin, and the reason why it will again cross the highest point. So here Jasmy coin price change 24 hour. It's remove 10 hour. This is very good. Trading volumes too much high. Okay, volume cap and dominance 0.04. Here what I want to show you, just check. Don't go from here. Don't go. Okay, this is all-time high 30 day 7 day 0.12, while 30 day 0.06, 90 day 0.012, 52 week 0.0083 lowest price, all-time high 4.99, like $5. So guys, it will again cross $5. Why I'm just saying it's very confidently, because this circulation supply, it's almost like in billions. Okay, the tokens maximum supply in billions, like 50 billions or like 5 billions, not more than this. So it is very easy when once it listed on Binance and people get interested and invested in Jasmy coins. So and the same time, like in 24 hour, it will reach to $1 for sure. It will reach to $1. And where should I buy this one? Very easily. I have very less time in my video, but I will show you here from where you can take it very easily. I take already this. Let me open. Don't go anyway. Let me show you. Yes, this one. Quick. Just I show you, and you all people buy from this, and after one is listed on Binance, you just transfer it on in Binance. xt.com is the exchange from where you can get this token easily. Go to my wallet. Okay, in my wallet I will show you. I just take off $100. This is Jasmy coin. I will take on $100, and once it's listed on Binance, I will transfer it to Binance. So guys, this is my video. I think it's helped you very much. So guys, see you up in next video.